What you want? Don't zoom like.
Hi. We're on the bus.
Yes.
But she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all day thinking about you and how we gon' make it out, baby, come through. I'ma keep it real, and you know that. Sometimes I wanna feel.
Good morning. 8:30 in the morning. The rest are still in their rooms. Nice quiet morning. We're going to Genting SkyWorlds today, hence we're waking up earlier because we need to get our transport up to the amusement park. I've never been there, so hopefully it's gonna be fun. Good morning, guys. Are you excited?
Today I'm excited in my heart. Physically I cannot show because I'm already got it.
Do you know where we are going today?
It's
Where are we going now?
SkyWorlds theme park.
Genting! From humble home, we took a Grab ride to Awana Skyway, which is where we'll be taking the gondola up to Genting SkyWorlds, the theme park. The ride took about 30 minutes or less since there was no heavy traffic on the roads. I believe that if you take the bus from KL to Genting, it would have taken more than an hour. For this Grab ride, it cost us about 22 Sing dollars and an additional 3 Sing dollars for the tolls which we passed through. Look at the fog. It's foggy. Wow. Considering that we split the cost amongst the four of us, I'll say that that's a pretty decent fare to pay. We just alighted. We are walking along the premium outlets. We're gonna find food first. Can you buy one of this? Then I sit and then you push me.
Can you not be so lazy?
You will spoil the thing.
Jeanette!
Sorry.
You can huh?
Friends. That will no longer be friends after this trip. Once we arrived, the first order of business was to find breakfast, since all of us were starving. We had a very heavy first meal at Old Town White Coffee, which I believe all of us subsequently regretted because taking the rides shortly after was kinda unwise.
Maybe North Street.
Let's eat!
Yes, eat.
After the meal, we headed straight for the gondolas to bring us up to Genting SkyWorlds. A two-way trip on the standard gondola cost us 6 Sing dollars per person. I'm not sure if this is the typical crowd heading up to Genting via the gondolas, but we learned that it happened to be Malaysia Day and a long weekend, hence the crazy number of people there. Whoa. Thank you. 1, 2, 3.
I cannot see the direction. I feel like I'm falling.
Not now.
Oh, actually you can walk up lah. Would that
Wow.
make you feel better? Along the way up, you will come to the Chin Swee station, which you will alight at if you wish to visit the Chin Swee Caves temple. Overall, I would say that the gondola ride up to Genting SkyWorlds is a pretty scenic one. How do you feel, sir?
I ate too fast just now.
You want toy?
So and then like going up the hill is like so my stomach is like and then anytime it's like I can
I'll be a plastic bag.
come on, it's not that bad. Luckily it's not a roller coaster. If it's a roller coaster, that's it.
But you were so hungry just now.
Yeah, I was hungry, but the thing is I overcompensate by eating too fast, which doesn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm totally not good.
However, for those of you who suffer from vertical sickness like Mr. P, it is quite a mini nightmare for you to take the gondola up. Just a reminder, try to take the standard gondola instead of the gondola with the glass floor, because there is an option for you to choose a gondola with a glass floor at an additional charge. That would make anyone with vertigo sickness even more sick.
Fingerprint.
Alright, we're in Skyway.
We are in.
Where are we?
SkyWorlds. It's not going off.
Hey! Actually, that is sounds like an idea, right? Actually, can you help me hold the Ribena for a while?
And then all the friends will be like, come on. We have a winner here.